At AYMAS, we conduct R&D in machine manufacturing, software development, and electrical engineering. We believe that simply manufacturing machines is no longer sufficient in the recycling sector. Therefore, we develop next-generation systems that support our machines with digital technologies and artificial intelligence solutions. Today, businesses use many different platforms such as ERP, CRM, PDM, and production management. We, however, use a software infrastructure developed entirely in-house that integrates all these processes under one roof. This allows us to create a simpler, more flexible structure that can be continuously improved according to the needs of each department. One of our most important differentiators is our development of our own artificial intelligence technology. This continuously trained system analyzes data from machines to detect potential malfunctions early, optimize maintenance process, and predict space parts needs in advance. Our goal at AYMAS is to provide our customers with maximum efficiency and sustainability by making recycling technologies not only more powerful, but also smarter.